Hello everyone. Say hi. This is Ella Mae. Say hi everybody. And she's about to get her hair washed so that I can get ready to assemble her. I am not sponsored. This is what I personally use. It has no parabens, phthalates, sulfalates, or dyes. I probably didn't spell out the names wrong. Right, but that's okay. And it's by Johnson's. And I like this because, like I say, it don't have any dye in it. So I've been using this when I wash their hair before they go home, and I haven't had any problems with my paint or anything coming off. So that's what I like to use. Again, I am not sponsored. I was just showing you guys what I personally use to wash the Reborn Baby's hair before they go home. Say hi, everybody. Oh, are you ready? I'm gonna need you to be a good girl, okay? Okay, TT. Alrighty. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean, 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 clean. Get it clean, 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 clean. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Clean, clean, clean my hair, TT. Get it clean, 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 clean. Get it clean. Tim, tim, tim. Tim, tim, tim. Bam, bam, bam. Boom, 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 down. Bam, 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 bam. Alrighty, girl. Alrighty, girl. You ready to go home? Yes, PT. I want to go see my mommy. I know you do, little baby. I know you do, little baby. She's actually a big baby. She's a toddler. As a toddler. And I wear 12 months, some 6 to 9 months you can get in. It depends on the brand, because y'all know some brands run big. But she's a 6 to 9 month, 12 month size clothing. Yes. And she is the Ella Mae Kit. You being so good. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, mama. Look how good she's been, y'all. Get all this soap out your hair, girl. Let's get all this soap out your hair, girl. Yes. Yes. I think we got it all out, mama. I think we got it all out. Okay. Alrighty, you guys, she's got her hair washed, and she said, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. My TT about to put me together. Okay, don't go nowhere. Getting it together, Ella Mae. Ella Mae. What, TT? Ella Mae. Alright, alright. Getting it together. Oh, we gonna put this on. Girl, that shit's beautiful. Beautiful. This shit beautiful. Yes, you. Yes, it do, look at y'all. She gonna put this little cute little onesie on that says beautiful. Yeah. It got a little flower on it. And it's by Yoga Sprout. This is not sponsored, y'all. This is not sponsored. These some honest Pampers. This is not a sponsored video, y'all. This is not a sponsored video. But I'm just saying, if y'all out there watching, look. The baby's Pampers. Look at them little cute little strawberries. Look at them cute little strawberries. Y'all know I use Passies too. Look at that. Pacifiers. Passies. I'm just saying. But anyway. I'm being silly, y'all. Alright, I gotta get you a body. So, onesie, body. Yeah. I gotta get your body out, girl. Okay, hold on. She needs a body. Okay, this is how we gonna have to do. I got too much stuff in the way, y'all. Hold on. We gonna get it together. Hold on for a minute. That's Babies and Kids Unlimited. Cause y'all know what unlimited mean. Unlimited mean there's no limit to what you might see. TT2. There's no limit, y'all. There's no limit. And so, you know, I got to do my word of mouth. Word of mouth. I ain't got no thousands and thousands to spend like that. So I can be on the top of every page. Everybody ain't able. Alright guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm just adjusting the straps, making sure they are good to go. I'm also just checking to make sure body is intact and everything, and just making sure everything is good to go. Okay, this next process, you guys, I'm going to speed the video up just a little bit because it does take a minute to do. That way it's just not like wah, wah, wah. Yeah. Alright, we got her body. Alright, let me get these body parts out. What I'm doing now, I'm filling the limbs with glass beads. That is how I get the weight of the baby. And then I will finish filling it with polyfill. Again, I'm just adding glass beads and then adding polyfill. And again, that's how I get the weight of the baby. The Reborn Baby doll, which are collectibles and they are a work of art. Alright, you guys, enjoy. I'll be back in a few if I need to chime in. Okay, everyone. You guys make sure that you guys keep following along. This will be in several different parts. because if I just did one video, it would just be extremely too long. So this is part 1. And you guys stay tuned to watch part 2. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what your TT is doing. And I thank everyone for tuning in. You guys have an awesome and blessed day.